AI is changing the way people work, but here's the question. Can you actually use AI to build a real freelance service in 2026? The answer is yes, and you don't need to be a programmer, an AI expert, or have years of experience to start. In this video, I'll show you a simple roadmap to build an AI-powered freelance service. Welcome to Learn and Earn. In this video, we're going to keep things simple and practical. I'll show you what you need to learn, how AI can help you work faster, how to build a service people actually need, and how to start looking for your first clients. So if you're a beginner, student, job seeker, or someone who wants to build a valuable online skill, stay with me until the end. Before you start freelancing with AI, there's one important mistake you need to avoid. Many beginners try to learn everything at once. They jump from AI tools to graphic design, then video editing, then coding, and finally freelancing platforms. After a few weeks, they know a little about everything, but they don't have one skill they can actually offer as a service. The better approach is simple. Choose one useful skill, learn the basics. Use AI to improve your workflow, build real examples of your work, and then start looking for people who need that service. Here's the opportunity. AI is not replacing every freelancer. Instead, it's changing how many freelancers work. The people who learn how to combine AI with a real skill can work faster, handle more tasks, and deliver better results. Think of AI as your assistant. It can help you research ideas, organize information, create first drafts, analyze data, and speed up repetitive tasks. But the final value still comes from you, your skill, your creativity, your judgment, and your ability to solve a real problem for a real client. Now comes the most important decision. You need to choose one skill. Don't try to become a graphic designer, video editor, writer, programmer, and AI expert all at the same time. Start with one service that matches your interests and has real demand. Now turn your skill into a clear service. Instead of saying, "I can do many things," choose one specific problem you can solve. For example, instead of simply offering video editing, you could offer short-form video editing for small businesses or content creators. Instead of saying you use AI, show how you use AI to save time and improve the final result. Your service should be easy to understand. A potential client should quickly know three things: what you do, who you help, and what result you can deliver. This simple approach makes your offer clear and helps you stand out from freelancers who simply list a long list of skills. Before looking for clients, you need proof of what you can do. This is where your portfolio comes in. If you don't have any clients yet, don't worry. Create your own sample projects. Choose a realistic business or creator, and create a few examples of the service you want to offer. Your goal is to show potential clients what you can actually deliver. Keep your portfolio simple. Choose 3 to 5 of your best projects. Focus on quality instead of quantity. Show the problem, your solution, and the final result. You can create a simple portfolio using Canva or a basic online page. The important thing is that a potential client can quickly see your work and understand what you can do for them. Now you have a skill, a service, and a portfolio. The next step is finding people who need your help. You can explore freelance platforms, professional networks, social media, and direct outreach. But don't send the same message to everyone. First, understand who you want to help. Then find businesses, creators, or clients who may actually need your service. When you contact someone, focus on their problem. Don't simply say, "I need a job." Instead, explain how your service could help them save time, improve their content, or solve a specific problem. Start with small projects, build trust, deliver good work, and use every successful project as experience for your next opportunity. Now let's turn this into a simple 30-day action plan. During the first week, choose one skill and learn the basics. During the second week, practice every day and create sample projects. During the third week, improve your best work and build a simple portfolio. During the fourth week, start reaching out to potential clients and looking for opportunities. Don't expect instant results. Your first goal is not to become rich in 30 days. Your first goal is to build a real skill, create proof of your ability, and take your first step toward earning online. Stay consistent, learn from every project, and improve your service over time. There are a few mistakes you should avoid when starting. First, Don't try to learn 10 skills at the same time. Second, don't depend completely on AI without understanding the work you're delivering. Third, don't copy other freelancers and offer exactly the same service without adding your own value. And finally, don't give up too early. Building a freelance career takes time. You will make mistakes. Some clients may say no. Some projects may not work out. That's normal. Learn from each experience, improve your skills, and keep moving forward. If you want to start building your own AI-powered freelance service, don't wait for the perfect moment. Choose one skill, learn it, practice it. Use AI to improve your workflow, build your portfolio, and start reaching out to potential clients. Your first step doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to happen. If you found this roadmap helpful, subscribe to learn and earn for more practical videos about AI, digital skills, freelancing, and online opportunities. And remember, don't just learn about the future. Build your skills for it.